Great news for Garmin enthusiasts. You no longer have to choose between style and battery life with the Fenix 8 series. A recent leak reveals that you'll get both options, MIP, memory in pixel, and AMOLED, active matrix organic light emitting diode, displays. This dual option ensures you get the best of both worlds. The Garmin Fenix 8 series is designed to keep up with your active lifestyle, and Garmin understands that different users have different preferences when it comes to displays. Therefore, they're offering two distinct types of screens. If you prefer the traditional look and extended battery life of MIP displays, or if you're drawn to the vibrant colors and higher contrast of AMOLED screens, the Fenix 8 series has a model for you. This flexibility allows you to select the watch that best matches your style and needs. In addition to display options, the Fenix 8 series offers 3 different sizes to ensure a perfect fit for any wrist. You can choose from 43mm, 47mm, or 51mm models. This range accommodates both smaller wrists and those who prefer a larger watch face, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for everyone. With these size options, you can focus on your activities, receive notifications, and enjoy the features that matter most to you without being limited by wrist size. Battery life is a standout feature of the Garmin Fenix 8 series. The 51mm Solar Edition impressively offers up to 48 days of battery life in smartwatch mode. That's nearly 7 weeks of use without needing a recharge. Thanks to its solar charging capability, the battery life can be extended even further, making it ideal for long trips or extended outdoor adventures. This means you can say goodbye to daily charging and enjoy uninterrupted use of your watch, whether you're hiking, camping, or managing a busy lifestyle. Garmin has also made improvements to the overall display quality of the Fenix 8 series. The sleeker bezels allow for a larger watch face, enhancing readability and ease of navigation. The AMOLED display option provides an even more immersive viewing experience with its vibrant colors and higher contrast, whether you're tracking workouts, receiving notifications, or simply checking the time. The attention to detail in the display design ensures that the Fenix 8 series is both visually appealing and highly functional. The Fenix 8 series comes packed with exciting new features that enhance your adventures. For scuba divers, the watch includes a scuba dive feature that allows for underwater tracking and logging, so you can relive and share your dives with friends. The hands-free communication feature, which includes calling and voice messaging, keeps you connected while on the go. Additionally, the Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor offers improved accuracy in heart rate tracking, giving you a better understanding of your body's performance. In conclusion, the Garmin Fenix 8 series is a game changer for outdoor and fitness enthusiasts. With its impressive battery life, stunning display options, and innovative features, this watch is built to keep up with your active lifestyle. Whether you're a runner, hiker, diver, or someone looking for a reliable and feature-packed smartwatch, the Fenix 8 series has something for everyone. Garmin has truly outdone themselves with this latest release, and we look forward to seeing how it enhances your adventures.